Okay, so let's face it, a big reason why a lot of people might make videos is to document their day-to-day life, whether that be vlogging or they're going on vacation and they want to make a cool video about it, and all of this lifestyle stuff. Well, luckily in Filmora there is a few cool features that can help you with this to make your videos of just your vacation or something you just want to put together so much easier. So without further ado, let me show you how you do it. So let's say you just went on vacation or you just went away and you quickly want to put together a video. But luckily you don't need any video editing experience because Filmora makes it super simple. Simply when you're open here in a completely new project, you can simply go here to templates, and then here you can search for, let's just say, vlog, for example. Now what this will give you is it will give you a rough time frame from a cool video of, say, putting together a vlog video. Let me show you. So let's say this one, for example. Let's just download it real quick. Okay, so let's say you just downloaded that one, for example, and let's just add that to my timeline, for example. Now basically what this gives you is it gives you a rough template of already a video you can choose. Already the music, the cut, the lyrics, the templates, everything is ready. All it needs is your footage. So simply double press the clip, and here at the top it will give you this, where you can simply replace literally anything you want from the clip. So let's say this one, I just want to replace this one. Then it will take you obviously to my personal computer where you can put in all of the videos you want to replace this. Now this is a very cool, like, a lifestyle feature that if you don't really know how to edit, simply select one of these templates and Filmora will do the rest. And I think this is a very important thing, especially if you want to document your life, because it makes it so simple and easy to do. I mean, this is only one of the thousands of templates Filmora gives you to document your life. I mean, here is even a whole one dedicated to summer and travel vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, there you have it. Now the cool thing about this is you can apply this to whatever you want. If you want some summer footage, you went on holiday, or whatever you needed for a school project, Filmora got you sorted. So yeah, if you have any further questions, please just drop it in the comments. If you need help with anything, please don't be shy, just ask. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.